Oh, why are we going this way?
Maybe. Yeah, kind of.
We gotta hit the escalator.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll make the slow walk. What up? I was just doing the slow walk. Yeah. Yeah, we've recorded it. We walked in there. Nobody was fucking paying attention. So nobody was paying attention. Edwin was there doing paperwork and shit like that. You know what that's all about. Again? Oh shit. Oh yeah, I can like lock on to people and do tracking and all that weird stuff.
What's it like? You go back and watch it, or?
So right now I'm just walking around recording, but because I have to go upstairs, and me and the company that I'm with, we're recording every booth, every product on the CHAMPS showroom floor.
What's up, team? We're here at the Tyson Round 2 booth. We have the brand new Tyson Lightweight. 2,000 puffs, 6,000 total. Alright, we good?
Yeah. Sorry. I was like, I have a microphone system, but my mic guy walked off.
That's all good, bro. I appreciate you, man.
Definitely.
How's it going, bro?
And then we'll be on YouTube and everything. We're going to be uploading all the videos.
Tag me. I need
Bet.
clout.
I'm a bartender, so I was gonna say a bar joke.
All right.
Your camera, you just happy to see me. See you.
Yeah, have a good one.